Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Activist Rama Kankonkar has filed a petition before the High Court pleading to cancel the bail granted to Zenito Cardozo in the attempt to murder case. On 6 December 2025, North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court had granted bail to Zenito Cardozo in Rama Kankonkar's attempt to murder case. In that bail order, court had made observation that Zenito Cardozo was not present at the scene of crime and he has been named in this case only on the basis of the confessional statement by a co-accused. Although the public prosecutor handling this case had also moved an application to the Directorate of Prosecution pleading to file an appeal in this matter, saying that court has not analyzed the evidences produced in the charge sheet appropriately. Even the Directorate of Prosecution has opined that this is fit case for filing an appeal before the High Court pleading to cancel the bail of Zenito Cardozo. On the other side, Zenito Cardozo has moved an application before the North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court pleading to discharge him in this case, contending that there is no direct evidence linking him with the alleged attempt to murder of Rama Kankonkar. He has further contended that merely on the basis of confessional statement of the co-accused made before the police cannot be a ground for framing of charges. The North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court is yet to decide Zenito's application for discharge. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.